I see a poop truck. Oh, honey wagon pumping us out. I just actually got back to the house. Been gone since like 7:45 this morning. It's almost 4 o'clock. Mike just dropped me off over at Dog Man. We went and helped out Mama V, Possum Run Homestead. Went and picked up some lumber from Lowe's and all her metal for her roof. I know what the color is now, but I can't tell you what it is. And then I get back over here and I hear a noise. What's going on? I see a poop truck. Oh, honey wagon pumping us out. Let's get up here.
And here they are to clean the septic tank. And let's see where they're gonna go. The truck. Take out the poopy.
We need to get that stick out of there.
I see that the lid is already.
Yeah, the lid's
The
going
lid
down
right here is already cracked.
instead of up.
The lid's cracked.
Yeah, that.
Then Max, hit it and you feel the pop.
There, baby. Get it out.
Or even cracking and just use
Yeah.
And they opened it. They opened it up.
No. Just concrete on there and the edges, and then just set it back on there. Then let it dry, and then take a couple of stakes, put it right here. That way it can't push till it dries out. Then later when it dries, then you put the lid back on there. Because this lid, most of them, these are beveled. Yours are almost straight,
yeah.
which is not good.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm telling her, get you some more measurement.
Yeah.
Put 2 or 3 stakes on the edge,
Yeah.
and then put mortar mix in there and set it in there, let it dry, and then set the lid back on.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's, he says I'm straight.
See how the pipe's underground and all that, and the water's standing here? Means your leach lines are no good.
The leach lines are no good, huh?
You gotta replace them. Okay, huh?
The leach lines are no good. You don't mind if we're recording you, right?
Break the camera, that's it on you.
Yeah, we put it on YouTube normally. We show, you know, our daily struggles.
You probably want to actually look hidden for this. Here I go.
Wow.
See how the water's coming into the T?
Yeah.
The water's supposed to don't come out of here. It's because that pipe is plugged up.
Yeah, that's how thick it is right there.
110 volt. That's the cheapest pipe you can get. Not deep enough.
Oh yeah, we didn't know. And we didn't.
They do a lot
We
of
thought.
Dad's back.
There's that.
Okay, so tank is pumped out all the way down to the bottom. I mean, it looks like there's still stuff in there, but it's really hard clumps of stuff that obviously if you went down in there and scraped it, you're gonna get it, but it wasn't coming up with the pump. So next up is Obviously, getting this covered up as best we can, getting lines going out. But it's going to take a while for this to fill up, so we can at least dump into it. But yeah, all of this, because we need to go lines, because they've already said that our lines are going to be bad, with as bad as the tank was. So we're going to have to run out here, at least pretty close to where this pole is, give or take, and then from here put in a distribution box, and then from there just run out several lines. And then he had also recommended putting in an overflow line, just one overflow line that heads towards the creek. So during like heavier rains, when there's a lot of water. Ooh, I just saw a rabbit. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. So when there's heavier rains, the water coming through the lines will actually just go overflow to the creek. And that's more of just water, right? There's no solids, there's none of that stuff. Obviously, it's coming from the tank, but it's just during your really heavy rain events. And this creek that is here, it's not feeding any type of drinking water facility or anything like that. But regardless, everything would still be going through the leach field first before even getting to that point. It would be like the very last line after your leach field. So that's all they recommended, was just doing that as kind of like a last resort type thing during super heavy rain, especially since we're right here on the side of the ridge. So, but there we go. We got that check in the box. Tank is cleaned out, and now getting the top repaired or covered up. I'll probably end up getting something to cover this with like a little manhole access cover. That way we can put some more dirt and stuff here, and then getting all the lines to go out. So yeah, there we go, folks. Man, what a day. What a day. All right.
All right.
She's gonna head inside.
I am.
What are we doing for dinner?
I don't know. I'm boiling chicken or something. I'm poor.
Because they already know Fat Man hasn't eaten all day today, so I'm hungry.
I have chicken. I have lots of chicken. So I'm going to go boil some chicken.
All right.
Because I'm hungry. And the family's hungry.
All right.
So I'll leave you with him.
Oh, yeah. Are you sure you want to do that?
Yep. Yeah,
okay, you guys. Well, that's it. That's all we got for you. So we're going to go ahead and start pricing out some materials. Because as a homeowner, we can do the work ourselves. Obviously, digging trenches, we don't have the equipment for that. So anyone that wants to come over with a backhoe that's not busy would be greatly appreciated. Otherwise, grab a shovel, come on over, help us dig. Be greatly appreciated, because we have about 1,000 feet worth of trenching to do, give or take. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. All right, you guys. Well, hope you enjoyed our journey of getting our septic system repaired and fixed. It's a doozy, and we got another video you can check out here. Greatly appreciated. Playlist here, so you can continue to follow this journey. The icons at the top to subscribe both here and to the side channel. And then without further ado, always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. And we'll see you on the next one. There you go.